Hey, it's Chad, and today I'm going to review the IQ Air Purifier. This was highly recommended to me by many of my coworkers in the indoor air quality industry, and we've been super impressed with it so far. The display screen is really user friendly, and there are tons of different settings to choose from, like the airspeed, the air filter health status, and even being able to set a timer with specific days and times that you want this purifier to turn on. One thing I really like is that it comes with a remote control too. It's really convenient to be able to turn it on from across the room and adjust the settings without even having to get up. I'm also impressed by its thoughtful design, which includes three different filters, with each having its own specific role. The first is the pre filter, the second is the activated carbon filter, and lastly, it comes with the hyper HEPA filter. Each are designed to improve your indoor air quality. Another great feature is how energy saving and ultra quiet it is. The low decibel sound across all four fan speeds has really impressed us, and it's perfect for using at night or in a quiet room. We have it in our bedroom most nights with a sleeping baby, so this is a huge bonus for us. The rollers are also removable, which is really nice, so you can set it flat on the ground in any room you're in whenever you like. Overall, I would highly recommend the IQ Air Purifier. It's been a super functional addition to our home, and I would absolutely give it a 5-star rating.